Okay, this is our new laser sintering machine where we process our own material iglidur L3. And now I'm going to show you how this works. Here you see how laser sintering works. The plastic powder is melted by a laser. When this layer is finished, the bed moves down by 0.1 millimeter and the next layer of powder is spread out. And then the next layer is again melted by a laser, and that's how the parts are printed layer by layer. Now the print job is finished. 630 parts are printed. This print job took 11 hours, and now we are going to unpack the print job where we are separating the printed parts from the powder. Okay, here we are separating the parts from the powder, and the powder can be used again. Here we see the blasting machine where we remove every last bit of the powder on the part. Okay, now our 630 parts are cleaned and ready to ship for the customer, and that's how actually laser sintering works.